Best cordless 23-gauge pin nailers around for delicate trim work is just frustrating. I know the struggle, which is why I bought and tested the top 5 cordless 23-gauge pin nailers on the market today. I put these tools to work so you don't waste your money. Let's find your perfect match. Product number 1. DeWalt 20V Max Atomic Compact 23-gauge Pin Nailer. Holding the DeWalt Atomic Pin Nailer, I immediately noticed its balanced weight and compact design. It feels incredibly sturdy in my hand, exactly what you expect from their 20V lineup. Taking it to some crown molding, the brushless motor drove large pins flush without a single hiccup. My favorite part during testing was the simple depth adjustment. I could seamlessly dial in the perfect depth without searching for an Allen wrench. The low nail lockout system is an absolute lifesaver, flashing a bright LED light so I never shot blanks and ruined my workpiece. Plus, getting around 2,000 shots on a single charge meant I worked all week without swapping batteries. If you are already deeply invested in the DeWalt battery platform and need a reliable, everyday workhorse, this is the one to grab. Let's shift gears to a surprisingly complete kit for those brand new woodworkers today. Product number 2, Linknol Electric Nail Gun Kit. Unboxing the Linknol cordless nail gun, I was shocked by how lightweight the ergonomic rubber handle feels in my palm. It comes factory set and ready to fire right away. During my testing on delicate picture frames, this tool left an absolutely flawless surface with 0 marks behind. I loved that it ships with 2 batteries and over 3,000 nails, which maximized my productivity immediately. The built-in LED light illuminated dark corners perfectly, and the low nail indicator kept me from damaging thin crafts by accident. It easily handled fasteners up to 1 inch deep. If you are on a strict budget and want an all-inclusive package for small decorative trims, this is the clear winner. We're jumping over to a premium mechanical spring drive option that's built tough for professional contractors spending long hours at the very busy job site every single day of the week. Product number 3. Metabo HPT 18V Multi-Volt Cordless Compact Pin Nailer Kit. When I held the Metabo HPT pin nailer, the rubber bumpers and double trigger design gave me immediate confidence in its professional durability. Out on the job, the mechanical spring drive is incredibly snappy. I tested it on deeply grooved trim, and the ultra-fine tip nose let me place pins with pinpoint accuracy. The bright LED lit up my workspace, while the dry fire lockout completely prevented accidental damage to my expensive baseboards. Plus, getting 2,700 nails per charge from the included compact battery meant 0 downtime. I really appreciated the peace of mind that comes with their massive 5-year tool warranty too. If you demand high precision for intricate trim work and need long-lasting battery life, this kit is truly spectacular. Let's transition right into a wildly popular compact bare tool that many mechanics and carpenters already know and absolutely love using every day. Product number 4, Milwaukee M12 23-gauge Pin Nailer. Picking up the Milwaukee M12 pin nailer, I instantly noticed how incredibly compact and nimble it feels, without a bulky battery weighing it down. Since this model ships as a bare tool only, I slapped in my own M12 pack for testing. Its real performance blew me away. The stripped-down size allowed me to drive headless pins inside tight cabinet corners where other nailers simply could not fit. The pneumatic-feeling drive mechanism sank every single fastener flush into solid oak effortlessly. I also loved the clean sightlines on the nose, which made placing delicate trim pieces incredibly easy and fast. If you already own Milwaukee 12V batteries and need maximum access for tight spaces, this bare tool is an absolute must-have addition for your work truck today. Now let's slide over to our final 18V option from a truly legendary power tool brand known globally. Product number 5, Makita XTP02Z 18V LXT lithium-ion cordless 1 3/8 inch pin nailer. Grabbing the Makita 18V pin nailer, the iconic teal housing feels tough and perfectly balanced in hand. This is another bare tool, so I used my existing batteries to test it out. The refined firing mechanism is brilliant, noticeably reducing recoil, so I barely had to apply any pressure against my softwood projects. The toolless depth adjustment allowed me to effortlessly dial in a flawless countersink finish on baseboards. It easily handles 6 different pin lengths, and the anti-dry fire system worked flawlessly once the magazine emptied out, saving my material from ugly dents. If you are firmly planted in the massive Makita battery ecosystem and want a gentle firing nailer for pristine finishes, this is definitely the one you should buy. It's an incredibly impressive piece of engineering that simply gets tricky jobs done fast every single time you pull the trigger on a project. That wraps up my list of the best cordless pin nailers available right now. I put the links to all 5 tools in the description below so you can check their current prices. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next video.